20 years ago, I started in a one-bedroom apartment, just all by myself, just taking little pictures with my new high-tech digital camera. I would start taking pictures of jewelry, posting them, and as I sold them, I'd go pick them up. And that's how it all started. You know, as it started to work and grow, I moved into like a closet-sized office, and I hired 1 or 2 people to assist me there, and then we started to really grow, and we moved to a double-sized closet, and then we moved into a 4,000 square foot space in Manhattan, where we grew to about 40 employees, and now we're at 48 employees, and we're in 14,000 square feet. I'm just an example. Is if you put, your nose to the grindstone and work hard, there's no reason why any woman, can't accomplish this. I'm not anything special. I don't have any special degrees or, I just a lot of grit and hard work and perseverance.